Okay. So what do I see? So if I go on trading view on gold, as I was saying on a 15-minute last night, that there was a bit of a break of structure here. It came down up to here to make a new indication. I'm expecting price to go down to this level to make a correction and then go back up. So as you can see, made a correction, made a new high low. There was a previous high low here, and there's a new high low here. And as soon as the price came above that line, that break of structure, my 15 minutes, it went back up to here. But obviously this happened at 3 in the morning. No one's awake at 3 in the morning. So then what happened after was, if I go on 1 hour, yeah, on 1 hour, you can see that price broke off from that level here, from 3363, 3365, 44, sorry. So it made a new indication here. So now I'm expecting price to come down to here to set itself up on a small time frame, so I can buy above here. And if I zoom out right now, the reason why I'm bullish around it is because, as you can see, the previous time that when price was above that line, it was on a bullish trend. So if I could catch a price coming down here and buy up back again around here, and it goes above that line, I know for sure that price will try to come to this level, to 3 4 30, 3 4 30, which is quite of a stretch. But if it does come above that line, so I will hold it for a long time, to be honest. So what I'll do is I'll try and get price position here. Obviously I want price to come down to here, get a position, buy it back above here, and put stop loss where it's appropriate, and then just hold it, just literally hold it long term, and expect price to come down to here. It might not come straight away. It might go make up and down, up and down, up and down before it gets here, but I will hold it in. I'll probably take a small profit and hold the rest and see what it does. And so that's my analysis on gold. I'm just waiting for the correction to happen so I can buy on the continuation. Next, US 30. So US 30 on 1 hour, and price sold off here. Yeah, I bought it here, but I better put a tight stop loss and it took me out. Otherwise I would have, bruv, that was not there's 1 to 8, but I did put a very tight stop loss. It took, look, I think that's where I put it. Yeah, I put it around here. The previous one, I think of the spread, maybe it took me out. It would have been 1 to the 13th, but oh well, who cares. So looking at US 30, on 1 hour we can see price made a new indication, but there was also a wick around here, so I don't know how to feel about that. If I go on 2 hours maybe, yeah, 4 hours, yeah, it's a bit weird, because on 1 hour this was the lower high, but used it. As I was saying, I bought a price above here on EUI US 30, EUI USD. It went down to here. I was on like £60 maybe profit, but break even. So I was like, okay. The reason why it's buying is because this was the previous lower high, and then it broke off that lower high to make a new high. It came down here, and then he retested that level again, and now he made a new support. So if we're going on a small time frame, yeah, the price, look, see, lower high, high, lower high, low. Even though it is at that resistance level, but price seems to want to buy it off because it made a new lower high. It didn't break off that previous lower high. So if I could just make a new made a new lower high, so I believe price wants to buy off here and then sell it, and then literally probably at least go to this level. So I might place a trade here because I'm quite confident that it wants to go up. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to place a trade here. If I go here, EUR USD plus, bro, in 5 minutes, I know for sure that it wants to buy, stop loss here. I'm risking about 50 quid. I'm on 15 minutes. Yep, so stop loss round here. And so yeah, there shouldn't be any reason why, because if on 1 hour it's making its low high lows, high lows, high low, didn't break off that structure support. There was a big support here. Now I made a new high low in half an hour. As you can see, made a new high low. It tried to come down several times but keeps working out. Still didn't break that level. See, even the week is on the same kind of level as this, on 1.11155 499, and there was a big wick here, so the price wants to go up. But I will keep an eye on when it gets to this level, because it didn't really break it off that level the first time I placed the trade. So I'll see what it does. But I know once it breaks off that level, it will go up. I mean, if we're on a 4 hour, yeah, it'll go up. It'll definitely, because there's a big resistance level here. So, but I doubt it'll wait there, because once it breaks that off, once it goes above that line, as you can see on the previous structure, on previous time, above that line, price was bullish. See, above that line, price was bullish. So I know as soon as it becomes above that line here, price will be bullish. So I'll just hold it and see what it does. In fact, I might even hold this a bit long term, to be honest. But I'll see what price wants to do. I want it to break this structure first. Actually, to be honest with this one, I want it to break first, because if you look at it 1 hour time frame, it was a big support level here. Yeah, I do want it to break that level first. I'll see what it does. I'll keep an eye on that, but you can't really do much. You just have to wait and see what it wants to do. I'm quite confident on this trade. I'm very confident. But market does what market wants, and you can't really force market to do something that it doesn't want to do. But what's important is believing in the trade. I believe in it. I really do believe it. It will. I mean, I should place the trade on here, but it broke off the previous. But I went a bit early. I'll just wait and see what it does. I do believe in the trade. I think when it does come round here, I'll probably go break even, just to be safer. But yeah, I'll see. The reason why this will go quite high is because if you can see, it would, as you can see, price was on a downtrend, made a new low, lower high, low, lower high, failed to make a new low, it went back up, but that was new, so that wasn't price doing its thing. Then it broke off that previous lower high to make a bullish trend, made a new high, low. As you can see, there's a big support level here. Now he wants to make his way back up here. So I'm just gonna be patient with this, and I'm very confident, because I know, because one thing is with ICC, the reversal is the strongest one. With reversal, it does go very, very high. Yeah, so just have to be patient with this and let the price do what it wants to do. EUR, to be honest with you, it is one of those. I don't know. I'll just wait and see what it does. Let price do its thing. Just be patient with it. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. I'll keep you updated.